Welcome to Patchy Travels. Today I'm taking you to a place that might not be very well known, but is an absolute must-visit if you're in Dublin, the historic Jameson Distillery Bow St. This distillery isn't just the birthplace of one of Ireland's most iconic whiskies, but it also offers a unique and interactive experience that you won't forget. Plus, the distillery has a fascinating history dating back to 1780, when John Jameson established this emblem of Irish culture. Are you ready to explore it? As soon as you step into the distillery, you're greeted by a spacious and inviting bar with large tables where you can sit back and enjoy one of the many Jameson whiskeys available. From classic options to special editions, this is the perfect place to kick off your visit and soak up the authentic Irish atmosphere. When the guided tour begins, you head upstairs to the first floor. Here they start pampering you with a welcome drink. You can choose from several Jameson whiskey options, each with its own charm. This little tasting session immediately immerses you in the world of Irish whiskey. After enjoying your first drink, you'll enter a room that is the heart of the experience. Here, they don't just explain how Jameson whiskey is made, they let you experience it with all your senses. You can smell and even touch the ingredients that make Jameson so unique. You'll learn every step of the process, from selecting the grain to the triple distillation that sets Irish whiskey apart. You'll also discover the differences between malted and unmalted grain, which add distinct flavors to the final product. Additionally, you'll learn how the barrels, whether bourbon or sherry, influence the maturation process. You'll even compare freshly distilled alcohol with whiskeys matured for 1, 3, or 7 years to understand how time transforms their flavor and aroma. The tour ends with a tasting of 3 different Jameson varieties in a room specially designed for this purpose. Each whiskey has its own story, character, and flavor notes. The guides will help you identify nuances like the smooth hint of vanilla, subtle spices, or the sweet and rounded finish. It's an experience that delights whiskey lovers and surprises even those new to it. This part of the tour is particularly exciting because you won't just taste the whiskeys, you'll also learn to appreciate every note like a true connoisseur. At the end of the tasting, you can request a tasting certificate to commemorate your participation in this experience. And the best part? It's completely free. I got mine, and it's a wonderful keepsake from the visit. Visiting the Jameson Distillery Bow St isn't just about learning how whiskey is made, it's about diving into Irish culture in a very special way. Everything is meticulously designed to make you feel part of a tradition that has stood the test of time. This distillery is more than just a place to visit. It's a journey through history and a celebration of what Irish whiskey means to the country's identity. If you're looking for a unique and memorable experience in Dublin, this is the place to be. I hope this tour has sparked your curiosity. I encourage you to visit the distillery and experience it for yourself. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your experience or asking any questions. Subscribe to the channel for more travel content, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Slánte.